Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to move logo on hover using custom CSS in Elementor WordPress. So when we hover on logo, so we are going to move logo position to the right or left or up or down by using custom CSS. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So when we hover on it, now you see logo. So we are going to add custom CSS to move logo position. Now go to Elementor Header. So this is our logo, site logo. Now go to advanced and then add ID. So we added CSS ID logo move. So you can add ID name according to requirement and then click on publish. So after that we are going to add custom CSS. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS and then we are going to add custom CSS. Now paste. Now you see we added CSS ID, logo move, and then you see transition transform 0.5 second is in out, and then you see logo move colon hover. Now you see transform translateX 5 pixel, and if you want to move on right side or left side, you can add 5 pixel or you can add translateX minus 5 pixel. Now you see when we hover on it. Now you see when we hover on it on logo. If you want to move top or bottom position, then you can add translateY and then you can add 5 pixel or minus 5 pixel according to your requirement. And you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see when we hover on it. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.